I saw a thief take your wallet, so I ran after him but I didn't catch him. If it's raining tomorrow, we shall have to put off the match till Sunday. It is better not to lend things in case they are not returned. There goes the bus. Now we will have to walk. She was in charge of a large number of men. To our relief, Henry's illness proved not to be as serious as we had feared. Don't touch the cat. He may scratch you. He put a ladder against the tree and climbed to pick the apples. It's 10 years now since the socialists came to power in that country. He stood on one leg leaning against the tree, while he took off his shoe. When the time came to pay the bill, she found that her purse had been stolen. There didn't choose to be a bank on that corner. I usually go riding every Sunday. Don't stop working on my account. Please carry on. The 4 boys crawled into their sleeping bags. Good heavens! I hope they don't make us wash up. They found little snow, as most of it had melted during the week. Which of these words sounds different? Build. He had raised his hand in silence. Did you want the letter? I'm sorry, but I've torn it up. It's no good trying to persuade me. You won't succeed. I'd love to be able to travel round the world. Do you want some more tea? No, thanks. I can't make up my mind whether to go to Italy or Spain for my holiday. Is he married or single? When you get to the high street, take the first turning on the left. I have just opened an account with the Great Eastern Bank. There will be 12 of us for dinner altogether. Explorers are said to have found a lost tribe in the Amazon not long ago. I can't go along with you. I have run out of money.
Thanks for watching.